In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Amazon to access your location. This can be especially useful for optimizing your shopping experience, as it enables location-based services such as highlighting deals and shipping options that are relevant to your region. So, let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome, as this is the browser we'll be working with today. Once you've launched Chrome, navigate to Amazon.com, or if you're outside the United States, head over to your country's specific Amazon webpage. You'll need to be on the main Amazon website to continue with the steps I'm about to outline. Now, once you're on the Amazon page, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. To the left of the URL, you should see a lock icon or sometimes an info icon, depending on your security settings. Go ahead and click on that icon, which will bring up a drop-down menu that shows some essential site information and settings. Within this drop-down, look for the option labeled Location. It's typically listed alongside other permissions like microphone and notifications. Once you've found it, you'll want to select the Allow option. This action grants Amazon permission to use your current location, making it easier for them to suggest nearby stores, relevant offers, or optimal delivery options tailored to where you are. If, for any reason, you don't immediately see the location option, don't worry. This sometimes happens due to various browser settings or previous configurations. In such cases, let's take a deeper dive into Chrome's settings. Locate and click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of your screen. From there, head into Settings, which will bring you to a new page filled with options to customize your browsing experience. Next, navigate to the Privacy and Security section in the sidebar. Here, you'll find a variety of settings designed to keep your browsing secure. Under this section, select Site Settings and then click on Location. This is where you'll get an overview of websites that have requested access to your location. To allow Amazon, look for a button or section where you can manage exceptions or already approved sites. Here's where you can manually add Amazon to the Allow list if it wasn't immediately available from the drop-down earlier. Simply enter the site's URL, making sure it's accurately typed out, and confirm your decision by selecting Allow. Now, Amazon is set up to access your location whenever you use its website in Chrome. And there you have it. That's how you allow Amazon to access your location, ensuring you have the most efficient shopping experience possible. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!